It's humanity's first visit to a star. It will revolutionize our understanding of our sun. It will get closer to the surface of the sun than any spacecraft before it. It's Parker's solar probe. The probe will plunge through the sun's atmosphere, facing brutal heat and radiation, ultimately providing humanity with the first ever samplings of a star's atmosphere. To unlock the mysteries of the sun's atmosphere, Parker's solar probe will use 7 Venus flybys over nearly 7 years to gradually reduce its orbit around the sun. The spacecraft will come close to 4% of the distance from the sun to the Earth. The spacecraft will use 4 instruments designed to study electric and magnetic fields, plasma, and energetic particles, as well as image the solar wind. The mission will trace how energy moves through the solar corona and explore what accelerates the solar wind. Astrophysicist Eugene Parker is the first living person to have a NASA mission named after him. He proposed the concept of solar wind back in the 1950s. Now, more than half a century later, the solar probe mission will finally be able to provide proof for his theories. The spacecraft, about the size of a small car, launches on a ULA Delta IV Heavy rocket from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. 91-year-old Parker will travel to Florida to witness the launch. The spacecraft will travel through temperatures greater than 2,500 degrees while being bombarded with intense sunlight. So why won't it melt? Parker's solar probe will withstand the extreme temperatures thanks to a carbon composite heat shield and a system that helps protect the mission from the sun's intense light. The mission will answer the questions: why is the corona much hotter than the solar surface? And how is the solar wind accelerated? It will improve our ability to forecast major space weather events that impact life here on Earth. Parker's solar probe will make the last of its orbits on the mission to touch the sun in June 2025. I'm Rick Glasby for WFIT, Public Broadcasting for the Space Coast.